hope you're having a wonderful time at home. Hope you're keeping up on your schoolwork. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be posting videos for you to use to work on your other assignments. Now these are going to be strategies that you can use to work on the stuff that you already sent home with. I'm personally not going to send you anything home. But you're going to use these strategies to help you out with your homework at home. All right, so we're going to work on those vowel sounds, okay? So that's what our first video is going to be about. Now, I have the help of Mr. Bear, who's going to help me explain the vowel sounds. So, Mr. Bear, he's at the chair. At the chair. And that's the vowel sound for A. Now, Mr. Bear, he's at the edge of the chair. Edge of the chair. So that's the vowel sound for E. Now, Mr. Bear, he's in the chair. In the chair. That is the vowel sound for I. Now, he is on the chair. On the chair. That is the vowel sound for O. And last but not least, look at him. He's under the chair. Under the chair. So, remember, we have at the chair, edge of the chair, in the chair, on the chair, under the chair. Very good. So, thanks, Mr. Bear. You did a great job. Now, we're going to work on those consonant, vowel, consonant words, and we're going to work on sounding them out, okay? So, we have the first word. We have cat, cat, cat. Now here we have our next word. Bet, bet, bet. Then we have our third word. Sip, 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 sip. Then we have our fourth word. Pod, pod, pod. And our last word. Fun. Fun. So remember those sounds for those vowels. A, I, O, U. Now, a little method that I've known about to help you figure those words out, you can tap them out. And when I say tap them out, this is what I mean. So if we have the word cat, you can go at, cat, at, cat. Or we have the word bet, 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 bet. See how I'm tapping with my fingers? So if I have 3 letters, I should only be tapping 3 times. So we have sip, 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 sip. Then we have this next one. Pod, pod, pod. And our last one. Fun, fun, fun. Awesome. I hope this really helps if you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Have a good week.